Identify various types of evidence. Gallo from Indiana sent in a great question. How can I make sense of all the information I find when I'm doing research? Well, Gallo, what you need to do is sort your evidence. Sorting evidence can help you review a lot of information and decide if the facts really support your thesis. You'll mostly use these two categories: evidence that supports your thesis and evidence that opposes or goes against your thesis. But that's not all. You might find evidence that's so strong it challenges your whole way of thinking. Truly challenging evidence might make you change your whole thesis. So, Gallo, let's take a look at your thesis and try sorting some of your evidence. Okay, your thesis is, we live in a digital world, so print newspapers are no longer necessary. That's a big claim. Let's take a look at some of the facts you've gathered. All right, here's a stat that says people who only get their news from print newspapers are mostly over 65 years old. Great, that fact clearly supports your thesis. Here's another bit of info. An article says that print newspapers often break the biggest, most important stories. That fact goes against your thesis, so it's opposing evidence. Finally, you found this fact. According to a recent study, more than half the people surveyed get their daily news from a print newspaper. Whoops, that fact really goes against your thesis, Gallo. It's very challenging evidence. Keep sorting your evidence. If you find you have a lot of strong supporting evidence, you're good to go. But if you find tons of opposing and challenging evidence, you may need to rethink your thesis. Now, I think I'll just catch up on the latest news.